In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Etsy. By the end, you'll have the connector app installed in your Shopify admin so you can streamline product and order syncing between the two platforms. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on the home dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with the right store and that you have permission to install apps. This helps avoid any hiccups once you begin. From the Shopify dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Apps. This is your central hub for discovering, installing, and managing integrations that extend your store's capabilities. You'll see your current apps here, along with options to find new ones. In the Apps area, use the search field and type Etsy. The goal is to find a reliable connector that can import your Etsy listings and keep inventory, pricing, and orders synchronized. Typing a clear, simple keyword helps surface the most relevant results quickly. From the results, open a reputable Etsy connector, such as an Etsy import and sync app. On the app's listing page, take a moment to review the description, features, and recent reviews so you know what it offers and whether it matches your needs. When you're comfortable with the choice, click Install. This begins the process of adding the app to your Shopify store. Shopify will then route you back to your admin for a quick confirmation. Here, you'll typically see what the app can access and any plan details it relies on. This step is designed to keep you in control of your store's data. Click Install again to authorize and complete the setup. After this confirmation, the app will be added to your apps list in Shopify. At this point, the connector is installed and ready for you to open from your app's screen. Most Etsy connectors provide a guided setup to help you link your Etsy shop and choose what to sync. If you see prompts about permissions or pop-ups, allow them so the app can communicate with Etsy. It's a good practice to skim any on-screen notes about how products, variants, and inventory will be handled before proceeding. If you don't immediately see the app after installation, refresh your browser, clear any pop-up blockers, and verify you're still in the correct store. Small steps like these save time if something looks off. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to Shopify, opened apps, searched for Etsy, installed the Etsy connector, and confirmed the installation. You're now set to follow the app's on-screen guidance to finish connecting your Etsy and Shopify workflows.